Attanga Oham History. I would like to share with you two truths known to me. The first one is it is considered that the art which is popularly called nowadays as yoga in the world has originated from Ashtanga Yoga, whereas it is actually originated from Attanga Oham, which is term has evolved from the art of Oham. The art of Oham is one of the 64 sacred arts given as a precious gift to the world by the ancient Tamil Siddhas of true wisdom. The other one is the qualified scientists of present era have proved from the data obtained by the systematic medical research with evidence that yoga helps to live a healthy life without diseases. The picture you are looking on the screen is the picture of Sri Maha Avtar Babaji. He is adored by people throughout the world. He is a Tamilian. He was born in Tamil speaking sacred region, Parangipete, situated near Chidambaram. Attanga Oham. Attanga Oham is comprised of 8 stages. That's Yamam, Niyamam, Adanam, Pranayamam, Pratyaharam, Taranai, Dhyanam, Samadhi. Yamam, to be followed. It involves personal discipline. It includes the good practices to be followed at regular timing by a person, such as getting up early in the morning, brushing the teeth, cleansing the stomach, taking bath, doing exercises, taking food when hungry, sleeping at the allotted time, etc. Yamam is considered with looking after the body properly. Niyamam, to be observed. It involves social discipline. It includes non-violence, not causing any harm to other souls or nature by your body. For example, not spurting the water after washing the face, hands and feet, constructing proper drainage system and preventing flooding of drainage water in the surrounding. It also includes not giving trouble to others, like driving the vehicle properly, speaking sweet words, not polluting the nature, having integrity in the work, living without enmity with the relations and friends, etc. Adhanam. Adhanam means to be seated or to keep our body in a position. There are many adhanams. It is said that there are 83 lakhs plus of adhanams. Pranayamam. It means to stop or regularize the breath. These 4 stages depend upon the personal effort, whereas the next 4 stages, namely Pratyakaram, Taranai, Dhyanam, Samadhi, depend upon the grace of God. Once we expertise in first 4 stages, the next 4 stages can be attained by the compassion of God. Pratyaharam, dispassion. It's a stage beyond the mind. Having complete control over the 5 senses in this stage, body, mind, and soul are completely freed of the influences of the external world. Taranai, concentration of the mind. To fix the complete attention on a particular thing. Dhyanam, to experience the divinity, to reflect deeply on the true essence of the object of meditation. It involves study of yantras and tantras and mantras. Samadhi, to be one with the object of meditation, that is, to be united one with Parabrahmam. Attanga Oham, Sri Tirumular, is the foremost and one of 18 Tamil Siddhas of true wisdom. Let's view a Tamil song sung by him in his Tirumandiram. Yama Niyamame Yennilla Adhanam Nayamuru Pranayamam Pratyakaram Sayamigu Taranai Dhyanam Samadhi Ayamuru Attangamavadu Ame. The 8 stages of Attanga Oham we had discussed is compiled from this song only. Adichanallur Archaeological Site. Worldwide, Aditachanallur, called as Adichanallur, is one of the sites which has undergone archaeological survey many times in 1876, 1896 and 1904. During these years, many foreign archaeological researchers had done the survey and had discovered 3,800 years old artifacts in this area. It includes iron, gold, etc. In the temples built thousands of years ago, many sculptures found on the temple pillars are exhibiting human beings in yoga postures. Through a YouTube channel called Tamili, Hip Hop Tamila Mr. Adi has done a great service. Through him, it has been proved that Tamil is the oldest language in the world. This discovery is given as a precious evidence and gift to this world. Another treasure we have got in a sculpture displaying a yogi sitting in Padmasana posture. This is by itself a very big evidence. Padmasanam is a very important asanam among the ancient Adhanam or Attangoham or yoga. His team has shown another stone inscription as evidence for this ancient origin of Tamil. This channel is one of the greatest treasures we have got. An ancient stone inscription clearly shows that Tamil is the antique that's oldest language in the world. Attanga Oham, which is the most important of the 64 fine arts, was called in Sanskrit as Ashtanga Yoga and is now called as Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga Sutra was created by Patanjali, who is one of the ancient Siddhas of true wisdom. Let's see about the reason why he was named as Patanjali. There is no meaning for Patanjali in Sanskrit. Even though Patanjali is named used in Sanskrit, it is correctly pronounced as Pada Anjali. He was named so by his father when he was under the feet of his mother as Anjali. In Tamil, feet is called as Pada. Pada Anjali's mother's name is Tirumadi Anushyama and his father's name is Sri Atri Maharishi. This evidence alone is enough to show that yoga was originated from Tamil. Allopathy. The drugs made in English medicine are mainly manufactured using chemical substances. They can bring side effects and therefore they may be harmful to the body. But diagnostic tools such as ECG, scan, lab investigations are magnificent scientific inventions. Attanga Oham or Ashtanga Yoga is the only solution for healthy living. We have evidence that by regular practice of yoga, one can live a healthy life without diseases by numerous medical researchers. Let's see one by one. According to Nobel Prize winner Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn, 12 minutes of yoga meditation practice for 8 weeks decreases aging or becoming old. Scientific evidence clearly shows that one can be youthful by practice of yoga. An enzyme called telomerase is required to be young and youthful. Its activity is decreased by stress, because of which people become older. By practice of yoga, stress is reduced. Therefore, this enzyme remains activated and the person remains young. This is really a wonderful discovery. Dr. Timothy McCall has done a wonderful compilation of research articles which prove that till date 170 diseases can be prevented or cured by yoga. This number may increase in future. In the coming days, we shall discuss about these research works in detail, one by one, in this channel. In our country, reputed medical institutions like AIIMS, JIPMER have carried out many researches related to yoga. One of them shows that yoga can cure the disease popularly called diabetics or sugar. Another study shows that yoga increases the chance of childbirth. Yoga prevents heart diseases and heart attack. An article from World Medical and Health Database called Yoga for Primary Prevention of Cardiovascular Diseases proves that yoga cures blood pressure disease, decreases cholesterol, and prevents diseases related to heart. Mayo Clinic in USA has done a huge research work involving 3,517 individuals and has shown that yoga practices reduces BP, that's blood pressure. International Journal of Yoga has published numerous articles related to yoga research. Some of them give evidence that yoga cures diseases related to uterus. We are looking at great yoga teachers who have lived in our lifetime. They have lived in India and other foreign countries. These great gurus give us common statement. It's that as they practice yoga daily in their lifetime, they had never gone to hospitals or visited any doctor or taken any medicine. Each and every soul born as a human being has a right to live healthily. If one practices yoga daily, one can live healthily. Daily yoga practice is more important than brushing your teeth or taking bath. Yoga practice should be learned from a well qualified teacher. One should learn the rules and regulations carefully and follow them daily. You can know about the art of yoga through our website paartv.com or attangagam.com, paartv.com or attangaoham.com. There are other websites also to learn yoga practice. Later on, it's better to approach a qualified yoga guru and verify whether you are practicing yoga and pranayama correctly. Kindly accept my heartfelt gratitude and humble salutations to universal gurus, to great siddhas, great Tamil speaking people and all those who respect Tamil. The teachers and managing staff of Vinaya Missions Medical College and Velamal Medical College. Wikipedia, Tamil and English. Tamili app, Hip Hop Tamila Mr. Adi, who has established that Tamil is the ancient original language. My humble salutations to social medias like YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Dr. Timothy McCall, through his compilation Yoga as Medicine, has given scientific medical evidence for the fact that yoga cures 117 diseases and more. My salutations to him. In the coming days, we shall take up each disease and discuss about the research works done on them. My special thanks and pranam to Kaivalya Dhamma Yoga Institute, Pune. At Kaivalya Dhamma, Sri Acharya Chandrahas Charma's disciple taught yoga and pranayamam to our Guru Sri Veerabahu in 1980. And Vidya Productions, Ambasandram for video taken politely, and Nada Brahmam, Kalidekuchi for audio recording and video editing. My pranams to all living beings and to all the non-living things which help us in many ways. I pray to God that I shall reach you through other languages also very soon. Thank you.